Okay, coming at you with new updates. As you can see, the hood is gone. It's like, where's the hood at? It is off to the body shop, and I am pretty stoked about it. So here in about a week, I'll get it back, and we will be in business. Brand new painted hood. Oh, can't wait. So while I have the hood off, you know, why not clean the engine bay? I mean, you could get to a lot of things a lot easier, so that's going to be exciting. So a couple things I'm going to do. I already started. I took some sandpaper and I was sanding this little area here. Let me see, yeah, right there. And then if you can see, I haven't done that other side, so I'm going to do the other side to make it look cool, and then we're going to get this thing looking great. So this is going to be exciting. There's a couple things I want to do, but yeah, we're going to be knocking that out. And I just replaced the NSX tail light gasket, and that was a pain in the butt. Here's a couple pictures about that. Oh my gosh, that took me a long time to do. It was overly hard. So, and the next thing we do is we have the speaker cover we're going to be installing. So car is going to look great. Pretty excited about that. And we have some updates maybe about the wheels. Keeping that secret. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do this engine bay and do this area. So let's see what happens. So it looks pretty good. I used some sandpaper and some WD-40, and look at that heat shield. That's looking nice, looking all shiny. Then I went around with the microfiber towel and cleaned everything off, cleaning some hoses, dusting some stuff off. All right, but it looks good. So when we put this hood on, the engine bay is gonna look great. I think it'd be cool to end the video with showing you one of the Etsy pictures hung up. I think it looks pretty cool. It's the blueprint one. Oh yeah. So yeah, so we're getting stuff done. All right guys, well thanks for following along. I welcome you to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.